Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Yes, a busy and chocolate is here. Yes. Blessings, guys. Blessings. Everything goes already, so you know, have to pass through your Irish spice. You know, goes already have to come get ready. Everything the end. Nice. You know, so I'm gonna start off myself with some busy. Huh? Yeah. On the square. Yeah. Yeah, on the square. You know, that's the starter. That's the starter. Yeah. Eh? Oh. You want it? Yeah. Yeah. That means you get it now. You get it, man. You get it. Yeah. There's something about the chocolate and busy, man. They give you a different type of feelings, you know? So we have roots over there today. Yeah. 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 Yeah, might as well. Yeah. Hello. That slice is square. So that one are the roots. And the lightning. There. Yeah. Yeah. Feel it. Lightning. Try this lightning. Yeah, man. Ash. Yeah, man. That one is ash.
That one is hot?
Yeah.
Yeah, welcome to the
like
podcast.
Hot, you know?
Yeah. What can I do for you today? You don't know what then if you don't know how am I going to know?
I don't know where you guys are. I remember coming to YouTube today after the birthday.
Yeah, so what you see on what you see on the YouTube? We have our burger, we have food, we have some charger and visit.
Okay.
Yeah, man, we have juice. We have some sorrel and we have some herbal. Yeah, man, give me that. We're on the herbal. Just the herbal?
You know what, the polenta,
you want to try the bread? Breadfruit or polenta? Breadfruit. So that's one burger, one juice. amount of food. Yeah, man.
And that slice of square.
Yeah.
I don't heard it.
You want the butt see part?
Yeah, nice thing.
Smoke here for 2 minutes.
What's up back here? Huh?
Bad, no? Bad.
Banana. This one. Pecan nuts and stuff. Try it? Yeah, man, try it.
Go on, try to be chocolate and visit him. So chocolate and visit. Try it with it, man. Both of them. What, bro? This is my starter. You know, guys, I'm starting this with chocolate and basil. Chocolate and basil tea, I'm telling you. And this quake, you know, which is cake, you know, it's like banana and nuts and everything. It's all vegan, but it tastes so good. So as you buy the cake, you sip the tea.
That's
Nice. Inside of me, I got try the lightning, trust me, burning inside right now. So.
You run here?
I'm around here. How you doing?
This is my favorite spot. You know where you're at?
Facebook Familia.
Seriously, Kino? Seriously? We've been in New York City. Norma Davis. And
Yes, and you're here. I never know you're here. Oh,
You don't
my
talk to
days.
you don't talk to Esther?
Yeah. Some of them say they're here.
She just collect some stuff from me this morning.
This morning? No, I'm not talking to her since this morning.
She said you were sleeping. You're
Yeah.
sleeping late.
Because I edit late.
Hey, that burger was
Awesome.
the right amount of pepper and everything.
Yeah, it's
That
right.
sauce, whatever they put, make that thing.
Nice, right?
Oh my God. They're not whatever. Somebody said.
Hello, high five. High five. High five.
Thank you.
I'm having my chocolate and visiting.
Oh, have one of that.
It's quick.
The steak.
Yeah, squeak is nice.
I didn't get that because I'm really hot. Yeah, I'm really hot. I don't think I can
It's
drink
not gonna
it.
make you hot.
No?
No.
You watch every day, yeah? Same person watch every day.
Same person who watch every day.
You know? Yeah, I gave her, yeah, but she talked to you.
Yeah.
because
I'm going there when I finish off
You
here.
feel it? Yeah, I met her in Halfway Tree this morning.
Okay.
Because I know sometimes I don't get you know?
Yeah.
I get her.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was here. You know what? I was supposed to come here earlier, you know. And I was sitting there for a long. Let me just sitting down.
Yeah.
Because I really wanted the bitters. That's why I really
Bitters.
came. Yeah.
Oh,
I don't have anything.
no,
So what I'm going to ask you, please remember,
Yeah.
whenever time you come here and I have it, right?
Yeah.
Get it to me, let me tell you about the money, whatever. But let me get it, okay?
Satnam. You remember his face?
Hi.
Satnam in the building. Yes, brother. This is ND. You know, love his extended family, you know?
Yeah.
And we're here, we meet up at the spot, man.
But I didn't know meet you at all.
This is the breadfruit and burger. Breadfruit burger, nice, right?
Right amount of pepper, eat everything.
Everything.
Spice, because I like pepper, but not that
Yeah.
burn in my mouth. So much
Yeah,
I cannot. Yeah. But
It's
and
nice. Trust me. Yes,
And
man.
sauce, whatever sauce that is.
Pepper with flavor.
Yeah, pepper with flavor, not
I know I was a food god.
and I don't normally drink juice warm.
Yeah.
And I drank that juice. It has to be
Which one?
cold.
Herbalade?
No, just
You don't try the Herbalade?
we were just buy for Christmas.
Sorry.
Sorry.
You should drink the Herbalade.
I remember some of the stuff that
Yeah.
I was even said was this quake again.
Yeah. You need to try the Herbalade.
You know, in terms of side of me look like me never born, but no, God just the finish.
Yeah, go on,
And
go
I
on.
the finish.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
You need to try the Herbalade, man. Get the Herbalade before you go.
Oh, yeah.
It's like lemonade,
Oh,
but
it's like lemonade,
but
but
like
it's-
vervine and fever grass. You know, it drinks so good.
Remember back home we used to drink fever grass like crazy.
Yeah.
Back to Cranberry. Yes, I did.
Yeah, but
I'm just
it
stepping
drinks
out.
so good, you know.
Yeah.
Boy.
Yeah, nice to see you.
Yes, guys, I have to drink my busy and chocolate tea. Trust me. It's not gonna make you sweat. Look, I'm not sweating.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna make you sweat. You know them always say hot stuff don't make you sweat.
I was thinking, but I had breakfast and said, let me do it for lunch then.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
was good, honestly.
Can't go wrong.
You were in line on four.
Yeah. I wasn't lying at all.
Line on
You see, guys, I'm not telling no lie.
It's
The
good.
breadfruit burger is nice. I'm not lying, you know.
Not line
She's on the program and she's here for it.
Yeah,
Trust me.
good,
She's
good.
not lying, man. So it's nice meeting you now, no?
See you again.
Yes.
Whenever I come back to New York, remember.
Of course.
We should link up again.
Alright,
Nice to see you
definitely.
again.
Alright then. Satnam, what you getting? Polenta burger. Aye.
That's what they have at the moment.
Yeah. Just I go spice is the spot. Herbalade.
Let's go. So you said we're going to reach up to...
Trenso.
We're going to trench time at 8 o'clock in the evening tonight. We're going to head to the mining museum.
Okay. Yeah, we can come there for like a couple hours.
Yeah, big thing going on over there. Big. Joe Mercer's.
Herbalade. Aibo. Not Herbalade as well too, yeah. Yeah.
I need 3 of them as well. I need 3 of them. Yeah.
Don't finish it for me, yeah?
So 4 hours a year.
Yeah.
4 hours a year.
Yeah. I want one breadfruit burger as well to your eyeball. Allah. I know you must say I'm a starter. You must have a starter. Are this lady you attack? This lady here? Attack? Is she attack?
No, I never see.
Oh. She's also one of my subscribers. Yeah. So she knows that she said I wasn't lying when I talked about the breadfruit burger, you know? Tell him I don't, yeah, as it is.
You know, some people sometimes say, oh, this is what is not good.
Yeah. This one is right. Yeah. Come this breadfruit burger is finished up now. Go get the Pelenta one.
Serious music. Thank you.
Yes. Now some local requests are needed.
You got those as well?
It's here.
Guys, I take breakfast. Watch out that one. I go see it here.
Yeah, man, we eat that already, man. This is the Pelenta. Not Herbalade as well. Yeah, man, no, man. Yeah. You want the roots them? Yeah, roots them too. Yeah, roots them. See the guys, roots. This is the Pelenta burger I'm getting. On the Herbalade. Satnam got 3 Herbalade and the Pelenta burger. And you set. Satnam need to take a shot of the lightning. You tried the lightning before?
What's that, roots?
It's the thing that cut everything out. It's called lightning.
Not right now.
Fire. It's fire in the stomach. Yeah. Lightning, man. Ibo, I'm not telling about the lightning. No, it's not yet.
Let me ready.
It's running. Clear the passage. Clear Ibo. Clear the passage, man. It's gonna be like fire. Hush. And the two square. And this. Alright guys, so I got my polenta burger. Polenta burger made of this one like cornmeal made this one, But this one is gonna be so nice, so good, Herbal-aid. And I got myself a roots, say get back to your roots. That's what it says, get back to your roots. Alright then, that's it. Alright, I go more love, more strength, yeah? Yeah. Show us how been from there. Tell us how been from there, yeah? Yeah, respect. Alright, we're not come back and get one of them. Yes, they use deliveries. Let's say love guys, everything goes on downtown. I'm gonna get a sheet set for Cranberry family from Deliveries, and also I got some other sheets as well too, and a food cast from ND as well too. We're gonna deliver today, so downtown we're gonna buy the sheet first from Deliveries, but plus we have also some sheets as well from ND and a food cast for the dad to put on his feet when he's working. So we here downtown now, we're gonna do that and then head up to Miami River, to get this thing out the way. So here with Esther out, Esther is here, and we have Boom as usual, Boom there. Boom away, what that? Molasses. So Boom buy molasses. Good thing, molasses.
Clean milk.
You done already?
Yeah.
Me I come back and get two of them. The one that look fresh and nice. So guys, so we just want to thank our extended family for keep pouring out, for the Cranberry family. Trust me, ND, thank you, and Deliveries, thank you so much, for blessing them. Yeah? Three? Buy 3 there. Pillar? That's not a pillar though. Yeah, different color.
Different color.
Esther, same color.
No, I think
Look close.
yeah, but them not no more. It's not no more. I just want to can't take it and give them the other. It's not no more.
Buy any t-shirt, shirt, or shorts, buy one get one free. Sale on Samsung phones.
Split it. Put more than. Yeah? And them sell sheet over the same, you know. Them sell sheet over the same, you know. Sheets over the same. Okay, you know? Yeah. Me are twin. I'm taller than me. Yeah. They want to tell Key, you know, sir.
Just watching things like a program on radio, you know?
Yeah.
For respect, you know?
Make him know what I
Yeah,
want.
It's a juggler still, I'm juggling, my name Panty Man.
Panty Man? Okay, well, your name Panty Man, my name Key, you know?
Yeah, man, blessing.
keen on this.
Yeah, man.
You know, grab back curtain.
So what them call the panty man?
I'm sell panty.
Oh, yeah, if you're black, them call you black man. If you're short, them call you short man. Tall, them call you tall man.
They're trying to call him
Yeah.
Mr. China, Mr. Chu.
Yes, big up yourself and thank you for watching.
I watch him, see all the youth John and all that.
Yeah,
Watch
yeah.
him think.
Cool,
And
man.
then think them like the persistent and thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't know your friend, you have to look out to me, no matter what, isn't it?
I like the realist there, you know?
Yeah.
And it's a youth that always I try to be real, you know?
Yes, true.
Like the real thing. See, if I see somebody out they like me,
Yeah.
watch your thing and
So you panty them there?
I'm not really buying a panty yet, so because I get some belts. I'm selling other things, you know? Alright, you know?
Oh, and sell?
Yeah.
Hustler. See there? Hustler. Yeah. Good hustler.
How much you pay them on? 1, 2, 3.
Tree, yeah.
1 3. Can I get 3?
Alright guys, so as we said, we get sheets, so we're getting curtain as well. Get some curtain, now we get pillow. Yeah. Them one.
Yeah, man, what the respect and blessing, you know?
Yeah. One panty man.
Yeah, panty man.
Big up yourself.
Original, that's the fake one I wanted.
Okay, your fake one I want it?
Yeah, man.
So you've got change your want to draw.
Nah, I'm original, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Police, them and the only for them people they know mistake. I'm selling leather belt and they mostly buy from me.
Okay, so you're in the street already,
Yeah,
man, know you, you don't have to worry.
Blessing.
Alright, every time, yeah? Who that? Oh, that big man himself.
Yeah, the original, the one and only.
The one and
Fabian Bartes.
Hey.
25 name, 35 cousin.
Yeah.
Of done.
How are you? You also know, yeah?
They are both man, I might place. See, no one saw me in the step. Good company.
Alright then.
See?
No, I know the thing said.
Yeah, anything where you want, just tell me.
Alright then, that's how.
Mile up, pretty.
Yeah.
Fireman, I send out me.
Put them in the car and make him go check mark. Come on, you now go check mark. Where you go? Oh, you me at
those.
How you dash for a while ago?
Rum we are drink.
When I drink rum? No. Water rum? No. Man, come here, look, man.
I want that we go church.
I'ma smell this.
Flesh is smelly. But that's a say yeah, come.
Smell like alcohol. Are rubbing alcohol in there?
No.
Let me see.
Sure, it's our water go church over.
So how you dash for a while ago, Cranberry?
The back where we are boss.
Which back you are, boss?
Baku boom? Baku boom? Yeah.
The Toko?
Toko na come to school.
When I talk at same school? What grade talk in?
Yes, infant.
Oh,
So
no,
come
all
to-
them have infant too?
So how come this, you stand up here, here? How come you stop here?
Mama, that church it up.
Come here.
How we late.
Come in the
So why
car.
you stop here?
Why you
Go
stop
on the other
here?
side.
Hey, we are breeze off.
Breeze off where?
Are we tired?
Wanna walk from school to here?
Yes. And walk, go down and walk. Come on.
Girl, we just pass some pit and we say we are look for now. I think we're gonna take taxi.
We just tell him, say, pray, so I keep on this, and I know, so I feel something like that in the car.
No.
I know that say,
Where? When you see me, you fling with the buckle.
Yeah.
I play, we are playing.
You never play, you fling away the buckle.
No.
I see you fling away the buckle. How you fling a while ago? So why you look so frightened and fling away the buckle? Or the rum buckle you fling?
At the rum buckle.
At the rum buckle. Of course.
No.
It's not that one.
Like this.
It's that buckle right there.
No. Somebody
No.
That did not block.
Look on the board.
When you come
Come
on
round, but come round. I don't know. You couldn't make them come in first, Cranberry? I said it's there. Who for bag you have in your hand? Oh, that. Is your sister that? Okay. You're not twin?
Who are twin?
You come on.
You come on a twin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Two of them are two.
What's it?
Oh, you're this. Yeah. You never know you're a twin, little man. Well, lie.
Yeah,
Come on,
like
twin.
yeah.
Oh, what the? Look, man, how old are you?
11.
Oh, you're 11.
I'm your level too.
Yeah.
So, who born first? You or your sister? You born first?
Oh, look, man, a twin.
I say my
You
twin.
never know.
No.
You never know what I tell you.
No.
You never. You never tell him the day.
We probably never. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
She said she want to come to you.
Come here.
Come here.
There's something we have.
With something. With something here, bring it up.
There's something that they said they want.
Oh, it going already. That trip there.
9, 10, I go again.
It's Cranberry, you. Second time I catch up on the street coming from school.
Every time you have to go take me. Why? I gotta come.
It's a guy to listen, watch me.
What?
I bring my belt, yeah?
Yeah, bring a belt, you can treat me. We need to see a belt in here.
And so, no.
Alright, let us see.
I'm reaching a destination.
That's the road to tie you up here.
Come on, that twin.
Twin, sir.
What about right?
Yeah. Man, a twin.
See, you not drop my window.
So you want to finish bring it up, miss?
Check for your phone, eh? You see that? You don't see how come.
You never know anything. Where you going with that school today?
No.
Nothing?
There's some teacher take my book and keep it and say tomorrow. And me I go away outside.
Sugar market?
Yeah.
You done well in school today? You sure?
Yeah.
Hmm? Yeah.
I'm going to tell the person to say my twin.
I'm a twin.
You lady?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make you laugh, laddie.
Oh,
Yo.
look like I'm laughing. Hmm?
No. Imiata.
And plaster polish your head. This man is a twin. Look man, what size are we? You know your size?
10. Same.
10?
Same. Me and the same.
Change and come back. I see when I'm close.
Yeah. You have to go change and come back, so we'll see.
Cranberry.
So you want the shoes, Esther?
It might change and come back.
We are 34.
34?
But I think a Europe size.
34. Hello, twin. Finally meet the sister. I never know your twin no come on. Big up.
I feel it.
Say, if me pinch you, you feel it?
See that?
She feel it?
You pinch me. Stop there like palm. Keep on today.
How I go on?
Something in not good, right?
Something I like. Oh, I like good one.
What is it, cranberry?
What is that? What is that? See it?
I know that flat them.
No, big flats. And a plaster polish.
Nah, buy chicken.
Shy berry.
Yeah. Buy chicken today.
No.
Yeah.
Better go cook.
Yeah.
You cook mackerel and rice.
Yeah.
Nah, dumpling. Right, Nana?
And the price me look for right now. For reach home.
Oh, yeah, look, bro.
Banana polish.
Yeah, bring the banana.
So the bus.
Some people up here, buses. Trip. Alright, guys, so we just reached down and caught Miss Cranberry, aka Shy Berry, coming from school. She and Nana and Liquor Man the twin. Finally, we know Liquor Man is a twin.
Yeah, she is the river.
When you not see?
What's your name?
Jaisa Jada Douglas.
Jaisa?
Jaisa Douglas. Joisa.
What's your current name? Oh, Jerome.
Jerome.
No, look, Jerome Douglas. And I
want to say the name.
Jaisha?
Douglas.
Jaisha and Jerome.
So that might be getting the twin name.
You find them, I'll get ready. Tell it.
Oh, you're finding.
But
every day, Kino watch them.
Go and watch you find them.
now get one. Now passing data. I like one.
So no.
Nah, I mean I give them enough already.
I mean the man I get that.
I like that. You know the man.
We not have to know him. And just give me.
Buy you have to buy.
Are your daddy cement these? Look like I is.
Buy them there.
I cement them here. First me see coming at them bag there.
I said them I met them now.
I said them I met them?
Yeah, or sometimes see them there from a goal.
No, somebody buy them one from up from the in.
No, the bag. They more look like the in the bag there. The stamina.
Yeah.
Oh. Jangle at on bed, time bed, pull off the bed. Boom over there. Boomer! Thing go on.
Slow motion. Across the command. Esther, you want to give me the bag? Ah, cool, I'm a general. Where you get that from? Bring from school. Eh? Yeah. I'm a general. Big up, big up.
Cranberry. Oh, them. Look, man. Remember to come back here?
Bring the bag.
Give me.
Come on, give me that. Yeah?
Go on.
Come in. Yes, I get steep.
Yeah. Yes, I get steep.
Yeah.
If I dump up this one.
My foot's wet.
That's right. I just catch my foot.
Want me cranberry?
Yes, see me a jive.
What is this? Papier work. Ah. Manas. Work I go on.
You know some others I say?
Tara, go ahead. Oh. It's a thick man there. A strong man, if you say. What a whole heap of clothes.
So like how you use apply, you feel like it good for the water like our bathroom?
Yeah, tell you see your son? Before me I put the shower, I come just have to put a metal zinc for go there. I put the button. Otherwise no way the way water, the board not touch the water. That's why it come up, man.
Oh, you don't touch the water? Like the splash went a beat on your body, no?
Yeah, I go touch the water.
But that's how you've been through the water. Like a years the other side there.
What about this?
Years the other side there, man.
Yeah, good man. Have it, man.
Years. Bring something as well for your foot, you know. Yeah. Yes.
Do you see this picture when I talk about sugar? I'm more sugar back on it.
You gotta take out about them nearly.
See the pantil.
Alright guys, so as you can see, Papi is putting in the work, you know, so he's not far off finishing off the bathroom here, you know. Because a lot of, I see some people ask me, call me to and say if it's be okay with the board, with the water, you know. So, you know, him say it will be alright, you know, it won't be damaging the board or anything, so. You know, you know what he's doing, so you know the thing goes well. Everybody have a way of doing their thing, so the greatest thing, you know, them having something where they can shower from where they never have any shower. So, you know, it's always a step in life sometime, you know, you're stepping up doing something, so we give thanks here, we're thankful for you guys for being considerate, you know, for concern, you know, the longevity of how long it will last, you know, so hopefully it can last a while, which is not damaged or, you know, ruined after a while. As you can see, he's putting in the work, you know. So he's getting the help as well too from that young gentleman that been here from the other day. Yeah, he's been getting the help. So that's good. What go on in here? Tara. Shy. Tara, come, ice cream. She got one. High five.
You know, some of those see message, but look at
size?
Yeah. But they end up checking sister.
She does sleep?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll bring some things as well too.
Okay.
You're cooking. So you know, Papi working, so yeah, I should come. No chicken back and wash everything this, you know. Curry chicken back. Wash if I don't want to see this right now, and I say, whoa! You know? Mr. Oko. How what is the toilet? The bowl. Oh, the toilet then. Oh, yes, it's getting steeper. This is the tank. And that's the toilet there. Pine, I come up though. I'm gonna check my pine. So guys, as you can see, this is the tank here. So they got the toilet down there as well too. So things are going. Things are going. What ready? Jackfruit. You pick one?
Yeah.
I look on the pine right here. Pine I grow, man. Don't want you come look for my pine, miss. See it there, go and look.
More I go come like I should cook.
Yeah, well that never come yet. This day I say you must watch it for me, okay? Make sure you always watch it for me. No one, no lizard, nothing go near it, okay? Okay, that's it for my daddy. Jackfruit them ready?
Yeah, you know the man, you see him over here,
Yeah.
Well,
So where's the one that you pick?
I eat it.
Say it ripe?
Yes. I make juice it.
What you not saying?
Yeah, right, pretty last chippy.
For real?
Yeah, yesterday while I were down the river. I remember that. You never you share tell Esther the sago. Tell me Esther.
Esther, where's the bag with the sheets them and the stuff them?
Put them inside.
Could bring them back out there so mother come outside. Go for them cranberry. Right now we have to watch the walk, you know, because this gets really steep. You know, because so basically a veranda this. Okay, so this is the veranda right there and the kitchen right here. Come Ken. What? No sir. Somebody will slide down that hill here. You white one water, that's why.
Never go down when you're not video.
Yeah.
Locals, just in case.
Okay. I'm bringing them baby here inside. Bring them inside. Bring them inside. Go and put on close to come. Go on.
Bring him come closer. Bring the next one, Nana.
Forward over.
Yeah. Andy. Yeah. So the one them with deliveries. They come out of the bag already? The rest of them? Oh, you put them in ice? Mix them? They fit in car?
Yeah. Come and take the sheet them.
Come here, I wonder. So you take out the shoes itself?
Yeah, to put the sheet in the bag because we never have the bag for the sheet them.
I'm going to fit. So. Hold this there. See you want to hold it. Just hold it. So here we have some. We have some sheets here. So in this bag, Esther, right, is from ND, yeah? And the next, okay. So this bag here. Alright, come. Look, come on. You get your size?
Man, Cranberry is supposed to read the same size, you know. The Jamaica shoes can fit Lookaman and Cranberry.
Hey,
the two of them are the same. The two of them are the same age and my level. But only thing Lookaman pants my smaller than Cranberry because him way small.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I'm real size 6. Yeah. Okay. Well, come on, go on. So we got some stuff here. So first a package here from ND. Her name is ND. So Pops, this is for you, you know. This is for you for your feet. From ND. So you don't mind, I can try and see if it fit the size. Something where you can walk in like a comfort.
Okay.
Like a shoe, You see it? See that put the foot in it. So that now you can work and up and down in that. So you take the pressure off of your foot. ND,
thank you so much and may God bless you.
ND,
thank you so much and make it God bless you.
Yeah. ND, thank
you so much.
Cranberry, ND,
thank you so much.
The cushion of your foot.
Like if you rest back too long in there, it's kind of cool.
Well, it's supposed to one size fit all still.
One side,
So drop the foot down in it. One size fit all.
Oh, so can we put any foot then?
Yeah, any food.
No, extra cushion. There's an extra cushion. You feel heavy? With a support the foot for you putting pressure on it. But a good exercise weight too. To exercise the foot, when you take it off, you get more stronger. Put it back. Never. So I want to thank ND.
Yes, ND, thanks very much, man. Only for thanks again, man.
And plus we have some sheets as well in here as well too. We finish here from ND as well. So
Thank you for the sheets and may God bless you.
So from that now we have deliveries as well too. We have some more sheets. Take this up, Nana. And these sheets and pillow. Because we never have no pillow. Never seen a pillow.
And curtain.
No pillow. And curtain as well too. So we have sheets and pillow from Miss Deliveries.
Miss Deliveries, thank you and make your food basket never run dry.
So all this talk. Okay. I'm take it back off. I can't manage. Can I manage? Cranberry. See if you can manage it. Can I manage? And we have 3 sets of sheets and curtain as well too. And we have the 2 pillows right here. Yeah. So it's a 4 singles. That's the whole up there. So it's the whole we can get in there free now. Right after. I'm gonna say thank you all.
Thank you all.
We love you.
And we love you.
I'm here to talk of voice, you know. I'll talk of voice and Lord me. So we give thanks. So guys, so we thank you so much, Miss Deliveries. And we thank you also ND, for helping us, as you can see. Daddy, I forgot no for walking at the shoes. That's like a rubber cup. It's a rubber cup shoes again. Support the foot. Yeah. So I realize you have to put pressure on it, see me, So well, them been concerned about little man's size because I'm always see him around, so then I got add him in the mix also, so we get him size and everything, so.
I want to learn that little man is a twin.
Yeah, we just found out that little man. Yeah. But it's like me not take notice.
Look man and look.
Come here, see sister there. So this is Liquor Miss and Liquor Man. You see me? Liquor Man. Say we should have taller.
Wait.
Not them taller? No?
Same height.
Same height. Liquor Man and Liquor Miss.
Same only Japan.
Yeah. Liquor Man and Liquor Miss. So now we know, right? So Liquor Miss, what size you wear? Because I know what one's not 20 now. Because I pinch you. You can feel it?
You feel it when I pinch it? Yes, yeah.
Oh, you smaller than him? Oh. Liquor Man and Liquor Miss. Alright then, so we'll give thanks. So Papi, so you see you kinda you see right there, so now you're kinda this nobody else, right?
No.
Okay. So we gotta do it right here, so now.
I want to listen up look over there with the kitchen. The kitchen is where I know.
So this is the kitchen.
Yeah, but I can bring it some across.
So, what else?
Yeah.
Oh, L shape. So this is gonna be the veranda right here, veranda. So you gotta dig off the Ilmore and box and cast.
Yeah, because to me now, no, I buy the black. You see black them on the river, I just use the black them and do it more.
Okay.
Yeah, this one, yeah.
Tell us right, man.
Oh, the man I bring out.
How the man I bring it?
Today end up come.
Yeah?
Today them end up come, but Judy and Toko's here helping me join over the plies.
That's why Toko never school.
Toko they are work. Toko they are put in the work.
Strip. And the baby bring over two of them.
Yeah.
So fast,
Yeah, I see I try to finish off, you know. See. Some different type of cement them start making.
Yeah, because when you had the money coming at some
bug.
No, bug.
I see him, so
Yeah,
I see him.
you
Just
get
a bug
them.
chain.
Just a bug chain.
Hello?
Maybe a different company cement.
Just like I
Yeah.
say.
Maybe a different company.
Oh, they're different.
Yellow? Yeah.
So it's about the jackfruit, sir.
I'm making up.
Hold on there. Look at it about.
So if you're not can put stuff back.
You're right, it's start right.
You see the bag here.
Start right already.
So them they ready already? Them jackfruit already?
Yeah, because them have pick what they all used to do.
Mr. Board. So guys, as I say, here is going to be where the kitchen is going to be. Right, so this is the veranda. So I'm ready to bring up the retaining right there. What
It's like an island. You're like a shelf thing where you can eat round. Notice on a table in there, then you got a shell.
I'm going to dig the same like how I dig.
You can build too?
I can do it from me see me even can if I see it look I'm see it me can.
you can do
You
it.
can build too and you can stand on and eat.
Well, I mean, it is what it is, man. It's going to be the right thing. So we say we'll pick the jackfruit then.
Tell him.
Pick the jackfruit.
Can you do the fan already?
Yeah, my video, I'm fine, man. I'm fine, looking good. We have to get kind of steep, bro.
Yeah, it's so sort of. I told you to
Yeah. The dirt dry, you know, so you know, straight up you slide, yeah.
Well, I'm going to steal and go down.
Go down.
Pick a slide.
Stick supposed to be so I can't see.
You want to come on there and find pick?
I'm going to stick up the road now.
You know, ready to pick it. I'm planning already to pick as
a
well.
monster, you know.
Eh?
I sugar pine that today, a big tall city, so when it rains, a sugar pine. Yeah, sugar loaf pine.
Oh. So it's like a big. Big. What? So jackfruit, guys, jackfruit time.
I don't know when it's ready.
Oh, you know when it's ready. It's soft.
It smell?
It smells.
Oh. So you're gonna know which one smell.
Alright, that was say.
Or you're gonna know which one smell.
Look,
You know, so me smell
them
jackfruit.
have a different color.
Oh, me you know,
So that one feels soft like mango. This one?
It feels soft, but good in a right.
In a
yeah, that one is soft.
So Esther, so smell it then. So smell it then.
Can you too light? This soft?
Yeah, you know feel it. You feel it. Yeah.
Turning too strong, man.
Yeah, bouncy. From a bouncy feeling, but
So Esther, smell it then. Smell it then, no? You have to smell it himself.
I'm a mine.
So one there, so a big long one there. Anyway. So that one there will have a different look. You feel it already?
No.
No. So the ready one them done then. It's like the ready one finished.
I talk to someone from the phone.
Oh, okay. Which one? Right?
Sit now.
Ah.
Now, drop.
Then drop, man.
Smell something.
If him no want to go, can't make him go, you know. Because he's not confident to go.
Give him confidence, man.
Yeah. Next climber.
I smell something.
We smell jackfruit, yes?
I want
Jackfruit make you talk truth, you know. You're gonna know. So anyone's lying and them eat jackfruit, trust me.
Come on, relax. Just relax. We're trespass, but relax. I'll probably make you say more jackfruit. Still I smell it.
It's all I want to look up, this I want to look right for the right over here, Professor. I want, no, not the one there, the big one up at the top.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, have to stand up on the tree there, so. Can't stand up.
Oh, you soon get something to eat then. Watch it out.
Wait, talk you soon.
Yeah.
Soon get something. Feel rotten? No, man, you not brought this. You not brought this.
I am mad.
You know so weird.
Watcha.
Oh, Papi, make him go on, man.
Listen.
You not broke it, man. Papi, make him go on, man. He might go.
Ninja.
See there? It made it, it made it, it made it.
You can call up and put them down here.
Hey, see the stick here?
You ready for stick? I'm not ready yet. You don't need no stick.
You don't need no stick.
I eat that?
No,
you ready?
Look on the top one. Let's see top one then.
Denise Taylor, WhatsApp audio.
Huh? Let's see.
No, them not ready.
You serious?
I've got, oh, you put a picture on there, what is that? I'm going to say, oh, you put a picture on there.
Alright, come here. Come down then.
Yeah. And they look young, man.
Look young. Esther, you missed the jackfruit boat. Never mind. You will catch it back soon. Yeah.
So it can put on.
You know, when it starts turn, it will start turn. When it starts turn, yeah.
Just slide, come down, see me, man. Just use your strength on the limb. You can't break it, you know, for
So they will get big on there, so they're
Just big and nothing. So I'm going to say, yeah, jackfruit.
and just look big and what this.
If I'm going to jelly meat, jelly water meat.
I cook down some one of them there.
Seed.
No, no seed, the meat. Jackfruit.
Jackfruit cook it down?
Yeah.
It can blend with.
Me eat already cooked down, you know. You never know jackfruit can cook. Gotcha.
It's the same.
Nice.
Blend to the coconut water, put it with the meat. Huh?
Buy it at the vegan shop. The man cook the jackfruit, I tell you, say, what, nice.
The seed or the
meat.
Yeah.
No, the seed can roast.
Yeah. All the meat the man cook.
Now it's my son and cook it, I eat it.
You ever eat a sour sap cook down?
No, like so what's up
Cook down.
like sweet cook.
Yeah. Some of them roast it. You have some of them will roast it, right? And when it roast now, like them will cook it down. Or them will cut it. And just, yeah. Or them will cut it and like put it in and then like flour and thing for hold it. Like with a fried fish. Yeah, and fry it.
You know, waste my food. I'd rather eat it. Same way.
Hey, that come like a waste of time.
Yeah.
You never make no sense.
No, because they might use it as a substitute for meat.
Oh, yeah.
They might use it as a substitute for meat because they don't eat the meat.
Well, now waste my food.
Alright guys, so yeah, I catch Esther along the hill, so you know if she drop, just laugh. The view. See me what I'm saying when I say somebody to drop and you end up drop.
Yes.
Alright guys, so you know we try for ready drop, but the jackfruit not ready yet. So we have to go and eat some more time. Keep going and relax. You know what I mean? So we give thanks, we thank you so much. ND, blessings to you. You know, and also the Loris. You know, so we give thanks. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.